Hello, this video covers free and low-cost resources for legal research, particularly to find cases and forms. Use these when Bloomberg, Lexis, and Westlaw aren't available or when you'd like to reduce the cost of those services by doing some preliminary searching. My name is Noah Kamaiva, and I'm part of the Law Library staff. Let's take a look at some fee-based research tools that provide a little of what you're used to on the commercial platforms. The leaders are Fastcase, CaseMaker, and CaseText. It varies slightly, but they all contain federal primary materials, about 100 years of cases, and current federal statutes and regulations. They have advanced searching, so letting you search across jurisdictions and build Boolean terms and connectors queries. They also have citators, tools that identify subsequent decisions that cite the case that you're looking at. This helps you understand how later decisions have read and used your case, whether the treatment was positive or critical. These tools are being developed using machine processing and artificial intelligence, so may give different results than Shepard's in Lexis and Keysight in Westlaw. While coverage and searching may be similar, some low-cost resources do have features to set them apart. Unique to Fastcase is a built-in data visualization tool to help you identify relevant cases. In a search result, cases with more citations appear as larger circles, and citing references are placed along a horizontal timeline and vertically by relevance score or court level. One of CaseText's navigational tools features key passages based on crowdsourced highlighting and citation counts. CaseText is available to you for free while you're a law student. Fastcase is among the Temple Law Library subscription databases you'll use while here, and several bar associations provide free access to either Fastcase or CaseMaker as a benefit of membership. So check your state or local bar associations for details. There are free legal sites, but as with any internet searching, proceed with caution. Let's take a look at a few sites to understand their strengths and limitations, starting with something familiar, Google Scholar. In Google Scholar, choose the Case Law button. Notice you can limit by jurisdictions. After running a search, you'll see fewer filters for the result list, just date and relevance. Note that Google Scholar provides you a cited by count to let you know how many other decisions have mentioned this case, but there's no information regarding whether it's treated positively or negatively. Clicking into the case provides the full text, but no extras like headnotes that would help you know what points of law are involved. Another site for case law is the Legal Information Institute, or LII. Created and run by Cornell Law School, beyond primary laws, it has robust directories to free law resources, plus a legal dictionary and encyclopedia. Like Google Scholar, LII is a great place to retrieve case text when you know the citation. Special mention should be made of Harvard Law School's Case Law Access Project, which aims to digitize and make available all published U.S. court decisions in a page image format. When that's important to your citation, consult this site. Other free sites that shouldn't be overlooked are government websites. Govinfo, the web portal for the federal government, hosts case files for federal courts. There are some limitations. Historical coverage is not comprehensive. It varies by circuit, with the earliest cases from about 1988. Field searching is limited, there are no headnotes, and no citator signals in the case text. One major advantage of government sites is, as the original source of primary materials, their online editions are often official or authenticated. That's an important distinction because it lets you know whether you can cite these versions in practice. Govinfo is hosted by the Government Publishing Office, which provides a signal on each page stating the file is authenticated. Check the court rules of your jurisdiction to learn exactly what official or authenticated versions are required. More information on free case law resources, including state cases, can be found in our research guide. Let's switch gears and discuss finding legal forms, staying with government sites for the moment. Websites for unified court systems at the federal or state level often contain forms. The Administrative Office of the Federal Courts provides forms for federal proceedings. Find attorney, bankruptcy, civil, criminal, jury, and other miscellaneous forms here. Individual court websites also have libraries for use in that jurisdiction. The Legal Information Institute and National Center for State Courts each have directories to link you to the court that you need. A great tip I learned from Professor Perkins is to look for forums on Legal Aid Society websites. These groups often develop self-help guides which include forms particular to the jurisdictions they serve. An example is the Legal Aid Foundation of Los Angeles. Several civil court procedures are covered in its guides and forms. To locate a legal aid service provider in your jurisdiction, use the federal government's Legal Services Corporation directory. Finally, NOLO is a company that publishes legal guides for the general public. Its free forms library contains generic forms and checklists for common issues in a variety of topics, from family law to business to immigration. Public libraries sometimes have a subscription to the online products from NOLO, including forms and ebooks. Check with the public library where you live. I hope this has given you some ideas about researching in free and low-cost resources. For help with these and other research questions, contact Temple Law Library. We're here to help.